Come here, buddy. Hold on. Hey, thanks, fellas. Well, good morning, folks. Dad's gone after a load of distillers this morning, so we're gonna do the morning feeding for a couple, 3 bunches for him. We're getting awfully close to the end of the old silage pile, which means we're getting awfully close to getting these pairs out to grass. That'll be a good feeling. Now all we need is a little more moisture to get these pastures really turning green. I know we got a good chance of rain today. We got about a quart, I don't know, 20 hundredths the other night, which was nice, but need a little bit more than that. Not going to complain about it though. I know there's folks in the western part of this state who went through all those fires and now they're having a hard time catching any rain. So keep them in your thoughts and prayers, folks. Pray for some rain for them. Find a nice warm spot over here. The old hound dogs. Out chasing coons all night, June, or what? You tired? Morning, ladies. You guys look like you haven't missed out on many feedings, have you? We're gonna make it here. Oh yeah. Thought for a second I was gonna have to jump clear back in there and pull ahead to shut the gate. Excuse me. Excuse me. You know, you tried to take me when I tagged your calf, but when I got feed for you, she's just a sweetheart, you know. I don't know if you guys remember when I was doing videos before calving and I was feeding these cows every day. There was 225. She was always at the front of the line, and here she is. I haven't fed the cows since we started calving, and that old girl is still at the front of the line. She's consistent. nice bunch of calves. We don't mind them. Need to work them. Getting pretty big. Sweetheart, you go over there. You're running off here. Come on. Get back in there. Thank you. Oh boy. Well, tire looks a little low there. Oh yeah, she's fairly low. Hopefully she holds out here. I think it'll be fine. Watch out, fellas. I want you guys to get run over here. Excuse me, pardon me, calves. Get out of the way. Buggers. Gotta do this, otherwise they'll get out the gate. This calf here is acting a little bit funny. Get his number and maybe come doctoring. Cattle must learn at a young age to run in front of the tractor and slow you down. As you can see, these calves already start to do it. Alrighty, we got everything fed. Now we just gotta run through all these bunches, check for sick calves, and doctor anything that needs doctoring. Well, here's the windmill that we pulled the submersible on in my last video. Water's just a little bit low, so we're gonna start this generator and see if we can't fall in here as I walk across the thing. About went down, about went in. Anyway, we'll start this generator since it's a little low, so the water will keep up. Now this here's a patent pending gas cap. Just put a little plastic over it, screw it on tight. You know, as long as it works, no matter what it looks like, right? I'm not going to put too much in because the windmill, the wind is blowing a little bit, and we don't need this thing overflowing all over, so. Been going through everything. Everything's been looking pretty good. No sick ones yet. We've got a cabin pin to go through here and make sure everything's kosher in here, and then probably call it a day. It's Sunday. We've only got like 35, 40 head left to calve, so calving season is coming to an end. On to the next thing, getting everything out the grass and everything branded and all that fun stuff. Nice little red Angus calf. I wonder who her mother is. Cute little buggers. There's a pretty new one right there. Good. Everybody's tucked in behind the trees where they should be. Looks like we got one here, fresh baked right out of the oven. Yeah, 19F. I know you're kind of a bag. I'll leave you to it. Good work. Oh, you're not that tough. Well, now I just have the one calf that I saw down on the meadow. Check her out, make sure she's all right. 55 was the number. Check that calf out, make sure everything's good there. Looked like she was maybe sick. Maybe it's a bull calf, I can't remember. We'll check that calf out and call it a day. Everybody's kind of tucked in here since it started raining. Thank God for the rain, I'll tell you that. Hello, ladies. Looking for a number 55 calf. Have you seen him? No? Alright. Of course, now it's like, where's Waldo? And I can't find this calf. It's getting a little cold and a little wet in here, but I'm not going to complain, I guess. There's one pair over here up along the fence that I didn't go check. What are the odds? That's the calf I'm looking for. You know, my luck, it's probably is. Really? It is! Look at that. 55. This is the one pair down in the corner. I thought, nah, that's probably not it. Yep, sure enough. He looks alright, but I'm going to get him up and make sure, because he just kind of acted funny when I seen him when I was feeding. So we'll check him out. Is your child okay, mother? Oh, yeah. Seems perfectly fine. It's kind of cracking me up that I went through all these over there, everything, and I saw this one pair sitting in the corner, and I thought, no, that's not him. I doubt it. I'll go down here, clear to the other end. Sure enough, it was. Anyway, folks, that's going to be the end of the video today. If you guys made it this far, I sure appreciate you guys watching, and I'd really appreciate if you hit the like button and leave a comment, and consider subscribing if you aren't already. It really helps out my channel and helps me grow, so I'd appreciate it.